Hello, beautiful people. You, Jimmy. What are we doing? Oh, shell. Okay. So many errors. 15%. Alright. Just stay positive and keep at it. That's the game plan. Come on. Okay. Why doesn't show on my watch? Okay, so we have 10 minutes. The other one was pretty long. One. Okay. Okay, so the keystroke overhead is now 6%, which is awesome. So great improvement in here. I love it. And the VPN of 33. Okay. Very well. So now in the order is Java. So we can open the Java tutorial. And of course I don't remember where we were lastly. So I'll open the IntelliJ and see. Come on, Mario, where are you?
Nighty. Ah, spaghetti. Ah, ravioli. Ah, mamma mia.
Oh, come on, come on, come on. Time is the money. Bum, 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 come on, file. Okay. Mario says it's awake, but it's still sleeping. Oh my god, it takes forever. Indexing. I don't want you to index anything. I want open reading project. That is the Java playground.
Nighty.
Okay, cool.
Ah,
So
spaghetti.
the last one was loop
Ah,
control.
ravioli.
Okay.
Ah,
So we can
mamma
have a look
mia.
what is next. And it is decision making. Okay. So create package. And it will be 12. Making. Okay. Decision making. Okay. So there are a few things how we can change the execution of the program. So let's start with creating the main method, and I can show you. So the first one which came to mind is the if statement. It looks like this. And this is the whole thing. So in here goes some condition, some expression which evaluates the boolean, either true or false. And after that, you can write something which will be executed. So this will be first if. Okay, now when I run it, you'll see the result. And this condition will tell you if it gets executed or not. So if we say true, now we have no output because this was false. So it goes for the beginning, then this conditional gets executed only if this evaluates to a true. It could be a reference to a variable, for example, only be equal true. And it is the same thing. In case you want to have more statements in the if body, you will wrap it in the curly braces, like so. And then we can say another line, for example, and execute it. Okay, then we have an if-else statement, and that is exactly what you're guessing. If it is either of those, this or that. So I can say else in first if, and now it will do nothing, but if this is false, this will get printed out. If B will be true, those two lines will be printed out. And that's it. That's it to the if and else. What is this? Should one print the else right now? Run Mario. Ah, here we go. Okay. Another one is the if else. Does Java have anything like that? Maybe it doesn't. Maybe it is in different language. Okay. So we'll forget about this and we will talk about another conditional, and that is the switch case. So the switch will take something, let's say int I equals 2, and the switch will be I, and we'll say case. How do, like so maybe? Looks like it. Okay, so case 1, it will do something. 2 and 3. So yeah, like so. And this is, what's the problem? Don't care. So now depends on what this is, what the I is, and will trigger the exact case. So the I is free, switch takes the I, and it's equal to 3, so it executes this one. But what you might not know is this thing, and this one is 2, and something's behind it. It did print 2 and 2. Why is it so? Printed twice. Well, in reality it is that it will start on the case, and then will continue on each of the thing it comes along. So it executes this. I mean, the case was 2, so it executes this one and then that one. And now when the case 1, to execute this, that, and this as well. And if we want to execute only this one, we can use the magic word break. Break, and the break will jump to the closing mustache. Okay, so we can try that. Now we have only one. What the continue will do? Nah, we cannot do that. Even IntelliJ will not let us. So that is the switch, and now I think we can use char. Let's see. I'll run it. A, B, B. We what we cannot do is to use some object. I think only some primitive type. So let's say this will be integer when we run it. This one will compile because you can do the change. So integer, let's do float. Float cannot be used. It could be, here we go. It could be chart, byte, short, int, character, byte, short, integer, string, or an enum. So good. We did this. And I think that's all there is to it. So let's see the tutorial. How am I mistaking? Decision making. Okay, so here it is. If else, nested if, okay, switch statement, and ternary or conditional operator. Okay. So we covered the switch. What we didn't cover is the nested if statement. So the if could be nested. Basically indefinitely. Oh, when I run it, it will print false. Okay, so that is the nesting. And then we have the conditional operator. So let's have a boolean ball equal true. And here we will have a string as equal, and here will be boolean question mark. This will be true boolean and false boolean. And I will print out this S. Okay, so what is happening in here? So this is like this shorthand for if statement. Basically what this means is a function which will return public string give me string or how is boolean would be a better name for it. It will take boolean b or ball, take it, and it will do if boolean return true boolean, else return false boolean, like so. What is it? Cannot return value from a method with void. It's not void. Public static okay, I defined it the function wrong spot. So basically this is what it's doing. If this condition return this one, and if this one is false, return the other one. So I can say false, and here when I run it, it will say false boolean, and that's it. It is a shorthand. Alright, so let's double check. If nested switch, we have the conditional or ternary operator, and that's all there is to it. Okay, let's have a fun, and having fun means having a execute program lesson. 3 minutes or 2. So, and we want 53 TypeScript, the least review. Okay, so ABC number equals strings number. Okay, so this is type error. This is type error. This is syntax error. Let numbers 1 to 3. Okay, so this will just print out. Okay, function takes number, outputs number, returns this, my add number, output string, and we trying to add this one, so this will be type error. To return to string to type error. Function return class if var, so this is syntax error. Function to execute to, so that will return to number return n plus 1 add 1 number add plus 1 will return 4. So this is type error. Here is inference type strings string. This is type error, and we are done. And We have just few seconds left, so I would say we are just on time, and we are done. And done is better than perfect, always. Have a nice day.